When it comes to enhancing the beauty, functionality, and value of your home, few upgrades can match the appeal of Bow Windows. These elegant, curved windows extend outward from your home, creating a unique architectural feature that transforms both the interior and exterior of your space. Whether you're looking to brighten your living room, create a cozy reading nook, or improve your home's energy efficiency, Bow Windows offer a variety of benefits that make them a smart choice for homeowners in Glendale. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of Bow Windows and why they're a great addition to any Glendale home. Enhanced curb appeal. One of the most noticeable advantages of installing Bow Windows is the dramatic improvement in curb appeal. The sleek, rounded design of Bow Windows adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to your home's exterior. Unlike traditional rectangular windows, which sit flat against the wall, Bow Windows extend outward, creating a subtle yet stunning architectural feature that stands out from the rest of your home's design. In Glendale, where home design is often focused on style and curb appeal, Bow Windows can significantly elevate the appearance of your property. Whether your home is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, Bow Windows provide a striking visual element that enhances the overall look and feel of your exterior, giving it a unique and inviting character. Increased natural light and panoramic view. Bow Windows are designed with multiple window panes that form a gentle curve, allowing for an expansive view of the outdoors. This curved shape allows more natural light to enter your home compared to traditional windows, which can make your interior feel brighter and more welcoming. Whether you're in your living room, dining area, or bedroom, Bow Windows offer unobstructed views of your garden, yard, or neighborhood, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of nature right from the comfort of your home. In Glendale, where outdoor living is a major part of the lifestyle, Bow Windows let you take full advantage of the scenic views that the area has to offer. They create a seamless connection between your indoor space and the outdoors, giving you a panoramic view of your surroundings and enhancing the overall ambiance of your home. Expanded interior space. Another key benefit of Bow Windows is the additional interior space they create. Since Bow Windows extend outward from the wall, they add a subtle bay area to the room, providing extra space for furniture, plants, or decorative items. This additional space can be used to create a cozy reading nook, a small sitting area, or simply to add more room to move around in your home. For homes in Glendale where space is often at a premium, Bow Windows are an excellent way to maximize the functionality of your interior while simultaneously enhancing the room's visual appeal. The extra space can also make smaller rooms feel larger and more open, which is especially beneficial in homes with limited square footage. Improved ventilation. Bow Windows not only provide more natural light but also allow for better ventilation. Since they typically feature operable windows, often casement windows, they can be opened to let fresh air circulate through the room. This added ventilation helps maintain a comfortable indoor climate, especially during Glendale's warm summers. The ability to open the windows and let in a breeze helps keep your home fresh, cool, and free from stuffiness. For homeowners who want to enjoy the benefits of a cross breeze, Bow Windows provide an excellent solution. By opening multiple windows, you can encourage airflow throughout the room, reducing the need for air conditioning and improving indoor air quality. Energy efficiency. Bow windows are not only a beautiful addition to your home but can also improve your energy efficiency. Modern bow windows are typically built with high-quality, energy-efficient glass that helps reduce heat loss in the winter and keeps your home cooler in the summer. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, which can lower your energy bills over time. In Glendale, where temperatures can fluctuate between hot summers and cool winters, having energy-efficient windows is essential to maintaining a comfortable home environment. Bow windows, with their multiple panes of glass and well-insulated frames, can help reduce your home's energy consumption and provide year-round comfort. Increased home value. Investing in bow windows can also increase the overall value of your Glendale home. Due to their stylish design, improved functionality, and energy-efficient features, bow windows are a sought-after upgrade for potential buyers. When you invest in quality window installations like bow windows, you can expect a return on investment, especially if you decide to sell your home in the future. Homebuyers in Glendale often prioritize homes with unique architectural features and energy-efficient upgrades, making bow windows a desirable feature that can set your home apart in a competitive market. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and beautiful living space, bow windows can significantly boost your property's value. Low maintenance and durability. Bow windows are designed to last for many years with minimal maintenance. Modern materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and high-quality wood ensure that bow windows are resistant to the elements, including harsh weather, moisture, and UV rays. These materials also require less maintenance compared to older window styles, which often need to be painted or stained regularly. With proper installation and occasional cleaning, bow windows will continue to perform well and maintain their appearance for many years, giving you long-lasting beauty and functionality in your home. Conclusion. Bow windows offer a wide range of benefits for homeowners in Glendale, from enhancing curb appeal and increasing natural light to improving ventilation and energy efficiency. Their unique, curved design not only elevates the aesthetic of your home but also provides additional interior space and panoramic views that make your home feel more open and connected to the outdoors. If you're looking to upgrade your windows, bow windows are a fantastic investment that can improve both the beauty and functionality of your home. Whether you want to create a cozy reading nook, enjoy unobstructed views of your surroundings, or increase your home's value, bow windows are a stylish and practical choice that will provide lasting benefits for years to come.